Configuring Email Direct for Salesforce. To get started, we're first going to log into our Salesforce account with our Email Direct application already installed. First, let's navigate to our setup page and scroll down to the App Setup section and click down on the Create drop-down arrow and click on Objects. And find the custom Email Direct object called Field Mapping and go ahead and click on that. And then on this page, scroll down to where you see Page Layouts and click on Edit. And on this custom object page layout, we want to go ahead and make the active custom field visible here. So we're going to drag that down there and click on Save. Now that step is required for people using Salesforce Professional Edition and may not be required for people using Enterprise Edition. The next step is we're going to go ahead and adjust the lead and contact page layouts. In this example, we'll just focus on the lead page layouts. To do that, let's go ahead and go over to the App Setup and go into Customize, Leads, Page Layout. From the Page Layout Edit screen, we're going to go ahead and add the ED Sync custom field just by dragging it down there. And then we're also going to click on Visual Force Pages up here at the top, and we're going to add a new section for our Email Direct subscriber behavior history. Make that one column and click OK. And then we're going to go ahead and drag the lead history box down here into this section. And that's going to show us our Email Direct subscriber behavior history on the lead page, on the individual lead record. So I'm going to go ahead and click Save there. And the next thing that I want to make sure to do is go to Search Layouts under Leads and find the Leads List view. Click on Edit. And then go ahead and add all the Email Direct buttons or just the desired buttons to that search layout and click Save. Now if we go back to Email Direct, we already have our account linked here by plugging in an API key, and so I'm just going to go ahead and click on the Configure button. And now inside this configuration page, I'm going to go ahead and add a lead to Email Direct subscriber field mapping. So add lead mapping here, and just as an example, I will add the first name mapping. So I'm going to go ahead and select the Salesforce lead field first name and map that to my Email Direct database field first name. Ensure that this active box is checked and click Save. And that's going to go ahead and create a mapping between Salesforce's first name field and my Email Direct first name field. Scrolling down, we can also see some automatic sync settings. We give you the option to sync all new contacts, all new leads, or all new campaign members. I'm going to go ahead and say, let's go ahead and sync all new leads and hit Save. And then also, when I send leads to Email Direct, I want to make sure to put them into a publication so that I can send them emails. So I'm going to go ahead and add all new leads to the publication that I have created in my test Email Direct account named Supplier. Now when I go to Leads and click on a view, I can see the Email Direct custom buttons are here at top. I can select leads and click those buttons, such as the Add Email Direct Segment button, and import those 3 leads. Or I could navigate directly to an individual lead and I can see whether they're syncing or not. And I can also see their Email Direct subscriber behavior history down here. If I add a new lead, this should go directly into my linked Email Direct account. When I hit Save there and navigate directly to that new lead, I should see that yes, they are in fact syncing. And if I scroll down to the email direct behavior history, we can see those updates that are occurring through the API. If I navigate over to my test email direct account and click on the Manage tab, I can see that record has come into my email direct account with the first name field that I had mapped. And if I click on Edit, I can also see that they're subscribed to the proper publication that I selected on the email direct configuration page within Salesforce.